It's taken a whole month, 16-hour days and sleepless nights. Blood, sweat, tears, more blood.
I think I'm dying here, man.
But I can finally reveal to you guys the £100,000 bathroom remodel.
Not really. Just fixing Worcester boilers again, like I always do.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
What's up guys, Parks Plumbing? If you haven't guessed already, this video is not about fitting a bathroom. I do not do bathrooms. If you want to know why I don't do bathrooms, then tune in to the end of the video and I'll tell you all about it. Just for a change, we're going to be doing some Worcester boiler repairs. I know. Babe, but that's all I do. I just do small jobs. I do fault finding, repairs, small plumbing, that's all I do. Alright, get into it. So I had a couple of call outs this week, a couple of leaking Worcester boilers, so I thought I'd bring my GoPro with me and just show you how I did them, that's all. So, take them disgusting plumber thumbs, smash the like button, and let's get straight into it. I know what you're thinking. Another Parks Plumbing video, another Worcester Bosch boiler. So yeah, it's pretty much all I work on. So we've got CDI again, like last week. Just a sec. So this one, same again, leaky flow turbine adapter. What it's done is it's dripped onto the diverter motor, shorted it. So that needs replacing too. And while we're here, we can change these electrodes. Alright, let's do it. Like where we are in West Yorkshire, a lot of Worcester boilers. Can't get this undone. Oh my god. Also, an headquarters up here now, in Wakefield. I've been to the training course a few times. It is fantastic. Always good course, always good trainers, and always good snacks as well, which is important. A couple of questions in my last video, what these are. These are Nipex needle pliers with a little bent end. I find them really useful taking out circlips, etc. And obviously, really good at getting this out. He says, don't.
You suck, you jackass.
Hey, I warned you before that plumbing's boring. But you won't listen. You keep coming back. Thanks for coming back, by the way. Tell you what catches people out a lot. I've had a lot of questions about in the past. It's the O-ring. So, it never comes out of there. It's always stuck in the back of the flow sensor. Yep. Right. Sometimes if you just can't get it out, just use the clip, you know, that sits it all together. You can sort of like hook it out of the back. Top tip. Winding me up about my van is because this drawer's super heavy with my tools in. If I'm ever parked on like a hill or an incline, it just rolls out. I need some sort of catch. This thing never lasted. It sort of snaps pretty quick. I'm thinking maybe screwing some, you know, like window sashes on the side there, stop it from falling out. And if you can get black window sashes. So I suggest you test what you've done before you change the diverter, because you don't want to blow the new one. So they're quite expensive. So I'm going to turn it on. I'll tap it shut. Okay, we're on. We're nice and dry. Alright, you see these leak pretty quickly if they're going to do it. Obviously it's mains pressure. So yeah, happy with that. So we'll move on to the next step now. Diverter, very simple. Right, so remove this rubber johnny. It's designed to protect the diverter motor if that fails. But in this instance it's not. I think it's been leaking for a while. I don't think you'd notice it for about a week. Start dripping down. So remove that. Obviously the power is isolated. Remove that, and it's literally hand behind it. It's not even anything, it just pulls out. Boom. There you go. Set in mid position. That's fine, don't worry. Offer it in. Lines up. Just push the paddle in as well, like you can see the chrome paddle. Just crush that in. Boom. That's a diverter motor replacement. Super, super easy. Good thing I like about Worcesters is they're just easy to work on. They're poisonous anyway, but the Facebook groups will tell you that they're a lot of crap, but they are. They're super, super easy to work on. As long as you know what you're doing, like anything. Right, so what we're going to do now is change these electrodes over because we can't have the ones with the window in. So that's your new one, no window. New gasket. It'll only go in one way. Make sure the face is clean. It's pretty clean on that one. Slotted in. 2 screws. Annoyingly, Torx. Super annoying. Why do they do that? It's so annoying. Bloody Torx. Love this kit. Best Christmas present ever. Don't tell Mrs. P. And that's it. So I've done what we came to do. So it's flow adapter, diverter, and electrodes. I'm not here to service it. You know, I'm not getting paid to do that. I'm here as a breakdown call. But what I always do, just because I'm nice like that, I'll always just empty the trap. Lol. And that's it. So another side. So I'll go into siphon fill mode now. You can see the symbol, signify that. It happens every time you turn power off. There is a way to turn it. There you go. Look. There is a way to turn it off, but it's top secret, and I'd have to kill you if I told you. So yeah, another CDI. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next one. Okay, Green Star Junior. This time not a CDI. And what it looks like to me, might be able to hear it. Can you hear it? Yeah. It's the dreaded right hand block. Oh no.
Alrighty then.
No, it's the block. So, well, I can see it spraying out. I don't know about you guys. But yeah, needs changing, so let's get into this one. Right, isolate. And drain down. Yeah, get down. Woo. I dried down the boiler, mate. Everybody look. Put your hands up. If you love Worcester, put your hands up. If they're a bit tight. Here's your little mini grips. If you got some. Then that's what I mean. That's better when you can open it and just drains out through it. That's warm beans when we're done. Pressure catch moves out of the way. A bit more water, no doubt. June fuck out of it. Now let's go on. I'll slide off it. There she is. That's the right hand side out. So contrary to belief, you don't need to take that left out. Yeah, it's a struggle. Life's a struggle. Get over it. So this is the right hand. Alright, so what we need to do, just take this section out here. And what you get in the box, to be honest, not a lot for how much you pay for it. Well expensive. So that's a new one. You do get a diverter motor. What you don't get is the floor turbine adapter or the PRV, annoyingly. You know, these are like 150 quid, these. A lot of money. So, start to assemble this, put it back together. But yeah, just thought I'd just show you how to get one of these out. I know I didn't show you that bit there, but it was a fiddle. It was sat in there, twist it out, and you pull it out of the bypass. Badunk. Good thing about these, got all washers you get. Tons of them. Make sure you change them. Obviously you need to remember your 3/4 washers for under there. So everything's lubed up. I'm going to lube the bypass back up. So it goes in just nicely. And that should just sit back on its base. Pump up expansion vessel as well when it's all back together. Right, it's difficult to film because I'll be in the way of everything. So I'll just tell you as I go along. So that's it back in with the bypass. Just need to put my clip back in there, wherever that lives. There. Very good. And obviously the other side too. There you go. So what I wanted to show you there then is the PRV at the back. So once that's in, the green tube that it sit on will just push back up very easily. It would do from the bottom, but I snapped it. Fucking ugh. Make sure it's engaged in there. And if it does blow up in future, then you can be alright. So next step now then, right in there. Pump washer. Don't forget the pump washer. So take the old one out, bin it. New one on. Awesome. Right, so that's nearly back together now. So that's tight at the top, everything down here. So it's just tightening up. I don't like to tighten up too much until we're all done, and then I'll tighten them up last. Obviously the dreaded clip again. Definitely can't do this one-handed. But I'll go on there. Turn it all back on. And I think we should be alright, good to go. And there we go, and that's the right hand block. Okay, so we're all in. All the devastation it causes. But yeah, tough job if you haven't done it before. Probably say allow 90 minutes if you've not done it before. It's taken me 45 today. Happy with the result, no leaks obviously. I'm blowing the fan, that's a good sign. So again, signing off. Right, so why don't I do bathrooms, I hear you ask?
Nobody asked.
2 reasons really. Number 1, customers. Can't deal with the chopping and changing and the, you know, oh well, it didn't look like it were in the brochure and all that rubbish. Nah, not for me. Not for me at all. I just want to get in and get out of all my jobs. Quick jobs. Boom, boom, boom. And number 2, profit. You know what I'm saying? In and out, more money. End of the day. And what we're here for. Why do we do it? More money. Thanks for watching this week's video. If you enjoyed it, as usual, please smash the thumbs up button. It means the world for the algorithm. Almost at 5,000 subscribers. I need like 100 people. So tell your mum, tell your nan, tell everybody to go watch Parts Plumbing. Alright, cool. So with that being said, thank you very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you next week. Cheers. Clive, say hi to the subscribers. You're not good in greenhouse.